Okay, so we're gonna unbox this now. Nice. Got this. This. Yeah, that's really nice. I like it. Can you see that? Akaso, it says there.
It's embossed. And then this is the back. And the seal over here.
Right. That's the note in there. First thing you see. Cool. Accessories. 3, 2, 1. And the quick start guide. Right. And you just have to scan the code to get the manual online. Yep. Alright, we're gonna look at the accessories they included. Number 1. This must be the adapter. There's a few in here. Cool. Straps. A bunch of mounts. Okay. Let's put them back in. Number 2. What do we have here? Okay, the cable. Straps. Cable ties. If you want to secure it. Alright, let's put it back in. Keep this here. I'm sure I will need it. Number 3. Oh, look at that. For the batteries. This is what I like about this. Wow, this is so cute.
2 batteries. Look at that.
Okay, so it goes in here. This one. Very nice. And then you just plug this in here. Yep. Cool, very cool. And wow, all right. I will have to test this later on. Let's put this. Cool, I got 2 now. That's for the picture and that's for the video. Cool. All right. How do I open this one? Okay. And this is really important. Oh, I just opened it up and then I'm so excited. This doesn't look cheap at all. This is really nice. You can see that? I have to open this up. Nice. I keep saying nice. There you go. Yeah, I'm putting it right. There's a little tab in there so you can easily take the battery out. Right? And then there's the rubber thingy. So it would be like water resistant. Alright, got everything in there. Let's turn it on. Oh no, the power button is on the right side.
Okay, I have to take this out. Take this off, I mean. Take this off.